creating and solving issues using Autodesk Construction Cloud. When reviewing a drawing or a document, you might notice some details that need adjustments. That's where the Issue tool comes in handy. Let's take a drawing like this one. First, zoom in to the area where you want to assign an issue. Then click the issue icon in the toolbar, select the type, and place it directly on the drawing. Once the issue is added, the information panel will open. Here, you can write a description. Also, you can assign it to the user who's responsible to resolve the issue. And you can specify the location, also set deadlines, like a due date or even start date if it's not urgent. You can also add attachments or references, such as photos or documents. Simply choose from the library or upload a new file. If needed, you can include a comment to provide extra context or instructions. Now, let's see how the assigned user can resolve the issue. First, open the same drawing, and you'll find the issue marked exactly where it was placed. Click on the issue to bring up the Details panel. After reviewing the description and other information, you can write your comment and submit it, or attach additional references, such as a photo if required. Finally, once the issue is resolved, update its status to completed. With this simple and efficient process, you can create and resolve issues in no time using Autodesk Construction Cloud.